there's this new website that's paying people for watching a video on the internet and on their phones. That's paying people, and there's a sign up bonus which is $5 that if you sign up for this website they will give you to you, and I'm going to direct you to this website that you will turn your free time into a rare cash of money into. If you're interested in my video, make sure you click on the subscribe button and like this video. If you have any question, put it in the comment. I'll come in and answer. So this is the website called dollartube.com. If you come to dollartube.com, this is the screen of this website. This is how it look like. And if you get to this site, go to the about section. You see it's a earn money by watching sponsored videos online and turning your screen time into real money. So to get started, you can click on get start and you can go to sign in. So let's go to register, and then here you type in your name. You come and type in your email address, your password, and you are boom to go. So I type in my name, and then I type in my email address. Then you type in your password. Okay, make sure you create a strong password. And then after I finish, you click on I read the terms and conditions and go to continue. So this is how it looks like. If you check in here, let me see if you check in here, the account balance is what $5. It means that's my welcome bonus that have been given to me for free for just registering into this account. What are the tasks that we need to do to start making money online? There are tons of sponsored video here, and you will watch this video for only 35 seconds and you will paid for it. This one, there's no need to register for any stuff. If you check here, it says watch video and earn money. So you're going to view this video for 35 seconds. I'll get $0.077. That's what the only thing that I need to do, and I need to watch it only for 35 seconds. Once I'm done watching it, they will add an account into my browser. So let me go in and watch this video and let's see if they will pay me real or not. So let's go and watch this video.
Alegria falando ao vivo da cabecinha da Riley. Se prepara pra agitar! A tristeza tá na área! Esse é o Raiva!
Vamos precisar de protetor bucal.
Medo? Não, não! Isso não é nosso! Nojinho, que bom ter ela no time. Nossa garotinha cresceu num piscar de olhos. Desculpa.
So when the time ends, you see 0.77 have been credited to your account. So continue. If I click on continue, and it will take me to the next video. That's all. When I watch this video too, I'll get $0.68. If you come to the tax, they have a lot of tasks that you can perform here and much money from it. This one, you complete this survey and if you come to this one, you download and you run Opera ES browser on your PC or your phone to complete survey to earn $2. They have a lot of stuff that you can do on this platform to make money, bunch of money from it. You can also share your referral link to people, your friends and your family, either on your Facebook account, your YouTube and the rest. Your friends too can enjoy this video. Most of you guys who have been using TikToks a lot can use this simple method to get a lot of referrals to their account and start making a bunch of stars on this platform. If you come to payment, this is my account balance. If I want to withdraw my account balance, we have this one here. We have PayPal here. I can withdraw to my PayPal account. We have the Cash App that I can use the Cash App. We have Paytm. We have bank transfer. So any of these stuff, if I have it, I'll just go in and click on withdraw to withdraw my balance. Okay, if you are struggling on the PayPal account, I have a video that I've created, which is helping people to create the PayPal account. So if you want a PayPal account, make sure you check on that video so that you can enjoy your free transfer PayPal account. Our next video, I will show you another amazing platform that are paying bunch of people for performing just a simple easy task. If you have enjoyed this video, please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel and liking this video, share to others. If you have any comment, put it in the comment section.